Netherlands is a top destination for foreign workers. There are real job opportunities with visa sponsorship from Dutch employers. Whether you're a tech pro, healthcare worker, or looking for a long-term career abroad, this could be your chance. In this video, I'll explain how to find visa-sponsored jobs in the Netherlands, what the salary looks like, and exactly how to apply, even if you don't have years of experience. The Dutch economy continues to grow, and several sectors are facing labor shortages. International tech firms, manufacturing companies, and healthcare institutions are expanding their teams. Many employers are now on the IND-recognized sponsor list. For 2025, new salary thresholds for highly skilled migrants have been announced by the Dutch authorities. In-demand job sectors and average pay. Here are key sectors hiring in 2025. IT and tech, software developers, data analysts, cloud engineers. Engineering and manufacturing, mechanical, civil, and electronics roles. Healthcare, nurses, medical technicians, and care workers. Logistics and warehouse assistants, forklift operators. Agriculture/seasonal work, roles in farming and horticulture. 2025 salary requirements for work visas in the Netherlands. If you want to get a highly skilled migrant visa in the Netherlands, the government requires employers to pay a minimum monthly salary. This is to make sure the job is a skilled and professional role. Here's the simple breakdown. If you are 30 years old or older, your job must pay at least €5,688 per month, before tax. If you are younger than 30 years old, your job must pay at least €4,171 per month, before tax. For EU Blue Card, pay at least €5,688 per month. This means if a company wants to sponsor your visa, your offered salary must meet or be higher than these amounts. If not, the visa will not be approved. Eligibility and who can apply. To apply for a work visa in the Netherlands, you need a job offer from an IND-recognized sponsor. Typical visa routes: highly skilled migrant, EU Blue Card, regular work permit/GVVA. You must meet salary requirements as mentioned. Your employer must be listed on IND's register of recognized sponsors. You'll also undergo health and character checks. How to apply step by step. 1. Research job portals for visa-sponsored roles. JobsIGNL.com, curated list of visa sponsorship openings and guides, reference. Randstad.nl, large Dutch recruiter with employer listings. Work.nl, Dutch public job portal, language may vary. 2. Apply to roles that clearly state visa sponsorship or recognized sponsor employer. 3. When you get a job offer, ask your employer to confirm they are IND-recognized sponsor. 4. Employers submit sponsorship application on your behalf. 5. You apply for the Dutch residence permit, work visa, using the signed contract and required documents. 6. Wait for processing, then move to the Netherlands and register with the municipality, BSN, when you arrive. Tips for success. Write a strong CV, highlight international experience or project work even if junior. Learn basic Dutch, though many roles accept English, Dutch is a plus. Be sure your employer is on the recognized sponsor list, this matters very much. Negotiate your offer, ask about relocation support, housing, and contract terms. Avoid job scams. Always verify the company and visa details on official sites. Working in the Netherlands is a real possibility. With the right job offer, visa sponsorship, and meeting the salary thresholds, you can make it happen. Check the job links in the description, apply with confidence, and start your journey today. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. Good luck with your application.